Hey everybody! So, since today's the new year, January 1, I thought maybe we ought to take our Christmas tree down. You know, it was starting to lose its needles pretty bad, and it was just going to get a lot worse from there. So I thought, why not put it in the chicken house? There's an old Christmas tree out in the run they really like. Let's try it. Now, I'll be honest, it was a lot better looking in my head, but I did it. I put it in the chicken house. Yeah, there it is. We've even got some ornaments, you know, because chickens need to be festive too. So it'll give them something to do, occupy their time, and a lot of the times this time of year they're locked up, right? They can't go outside and they can't exercise or, you know, that kind of thing. The tree, we'll see how it goes. I'll give it a few days. I just thought it was a cool idea. Maybe it'll work, maybe it won't. Maybe someone else has tried it, has input, thoughts, ideas, whatever. I don't know. We're going to see. Give it a couple days, see what it looks like. So, all right. Thanks for watching. I'll let you know how it turns out.